So today I'm out on another evening ride. It's currently 20 past 4 in the afternoon, and I've just met this guy called Dean with a Ducati 899. It's absolutely beautiful bike, and we got chatting and we're just going to go for a random ride. So I'm going to lead the pack because he doesn't know where to go, which is fine. But yeah, I just thought I'd chuck the GoPro on and we'll just go for a random ride. All good? Oh, she sounds beautiful. So this is his first time back out on this bike in quite some time, so we're not going to be riding very mad today. You need to be safe on the road, of course, but I'll still chuck the GoPro on anyway. It's nice to capture some different footage. It's got a lot of extras on that bike, lots of carbon fibre bits, anodised parts. I think that's an aftermarket seat. It does look pretty comfortable. Different mirrors, decent tyres by the look on it, yeah. Aftermarket exhaust. I think that's a quick shift from what I can see from here. Yeah, it's just an absolute stunning bike. I think it's a 2013, he said. I'm not sure how much battery I've got on my GoPro, so if this does cut out, I apologise. But I'll try and capture the ride as much as I can. I'm just going to leave the GoPro running. Looking over to my left, you can see a blue Nissan Skyline GTT in the Bayside blue, looking really nice. That pulled up about 20 minutes ago. Just coming now with a Ford Escort. Stunning condition. Cars in the way. Constantly keep dodging all of these bloody drains and potholes. Another biker. Nice. Just stopping off for more fuel. All good? Temperature's dropped, isn't it?
Sounds so good.
Like this? Yeah, I can hear yours over mine as well. That's nothing.
Pass on it.
That's nothing as well. It's just low revs.
Yeah.
It's mad. Yeah. Blue and red together. Looks good. Right, we're fueled up. We're going to stop off at Laycock. Go and grab some photos of these two together. Oh, that Ducati sounds so good. I need a Ducati in my life, guys. One day, you can never have enough toys. Fucking hell, that's a first. Getting out of that garage straight away. He didn't make it out. 2 seconds. Just slow up. Let this car past. gravel on the floor, dodge that. There's been lots of loose mud around this area recently. I come this way home from work. Looks like it's all dried up, which is good. So it's been a pretty good day overall. I mean, I've been out most of the day before I started recording this video, and I thought I'd stop off at the 50 Supercars Cafe. And just as I was queuing up for a drink, there was another biker, which is Dean on the Ducati behind me. We just got randomly chatting, and yeah, we just thought we'd just decide to go for a ride. Neither of us had anything else on, and that's how things go. And there's the beast there, look, next to me. They're just two completely sounding different bikes. This thing's like high pitch, and his one just sounds like a deep, angry sound. Both got things in common too with the car world. Obviously, I've got the Mazda RX-7 FD on my channel, and Dean has a Noble in a I can't remember the exact colour orange. It's a Porsche orange. I'd have to double check with him because I don't want to get that wrong. But he showed me a photo on his phone, and it does look absolutely immaculate. He did say it's quite powerful, and the only way to enjoy it is mainly on the track. And we're both luckily near the Castle Combe racetrack, so he does go there quite often. The reason he resprayed it in the orange, because he said he binned it in one of the most dangerous corners on the track, which is known as Quarry Corner. For you guys that do go to Castle Combe, you know exactly what corner that is. Many accidents happen on it. But yeah, he lost control, and then basically used the excuse to respray the car and chose that colour choice. But it does look so good. So Laycock is another absolute stunning location, local to me. I go here all of the time. There's a very good little spot for photographs and just chilling out basically. So we're going to take a little stop there, have another little chat, and then we're going to go back on the road, probably head home because the sun is starting to go down. And yeah, we're definitely going to meet up another time. Hopefully some of my group of friends will come out too soon with their bikes, get some more group riding videos, more adventures. You know, when you get these bikes, that is literally what it's all about, is getting out there, enjoying yourself, meet new people, clear your mind from everything else, from work and home life. And we're going to take a left. It should be quite quiet now. It's that time of the day where most of the tourists have been and seen everything. You've got the famous Laycock Abbey, which has been filmed in things like Harry Potter and stuff like that. So it's a very popular location. You get so many coaches and stuff arrive to this place. But all of that now should be been and gone. So just over here to my left is like where all the main strip is that leads to Laycock Abbey, but we're going straight on because I've got another little spot which is nice and quiet. Famous Laycock Abbey in front of me, just through those trees. Don't know if you guys can see that. Can't turn my head too much, I'll probably fall off the bloody bike. This time now though is like my favourite time riding a bike. No matter which location you go in, you know, the cars on the road calm down a bit. The sun's just coming down, you know, the scenery just looks amazing. you. Oh, I can smell roast dinner in that pub. It smells so good. Oh, I'm not even hungry and I could eat one of those dinners right now. Road's bumpy as hell. Dead bird in the road. Bumpiest bloody road. You can't probably see it on the camera, but they're massive potholes and dips. You've got the famous spots over here. You can see people always park up like they are now, just looking at that view. Look, absolutely stunning. Always looks great. But we are just going round the corner here because there's another little quiet spot. Hopefully no one's there. Just through this little forestry bit. Come on mate, fucking put your foot down. And we are stopping just here. Here I reckon. Oh, the rumble of the Ducati. Look at that. It's that perfect light now, it just looks so good. Yeah, you put where I want, mate, yeah. Having a little chat and that. Looks so good out this time of day. Yeah, so we're going to take some pictures in a second. It's looking good. Yeah, the blue and the red definitely look good together, don't they?
Too classic.
Yeah. Better turn my bike ignition off a minute.
Still sketches me out.
Yeah, there's a lot of loose gravel and dried up mud now as well. Right, we'll grab some photos quick, I reckon. Because you'll get to the crossroads.
When we come out of here, if we go left towards Moucham,
yeah,
there's that big roundabout, and you take a right.
Oh, that way. Yeah, okay, I know.
Nice road, isn't it?
Yeah, then you'll just
I'll just keep going through Bradley.
Yeah, okay, and I'll turn off before then. All right. Yeah, good to meet you anyway. Alright, so we're going to head home. Sun is going down. Look at that Ducati, it looks so good. So yeah, what a random day that was. Oh, look at that view, guys.